This video will explain how to install COXO intraoral scanner software. First of all, you need to check whether the computer configuration to meet the requirements. Laptop needs to have NVIDIA independent graphics card to run the scanning program. Open the device manager to check the graphics card driver. If it is too old, you need to go to the official website of the NVIDIA to update the driver. Now we can go to the official website of the COXO to download the scanner software. In the official website of COXO Service Center has a download page. Find the download link of the scanner software and click to start downloading. After finished the download, extract the folder, then start install of the software. For the first time using, you need to log in the settings using the password admin to create a new account. Click on the administrator login and put in password admin. Thanks for watching this video.